So you think ISIS is a crisis? Okay, let's just take Bashar and Bibi and put them behind us, and oh, what about those demons inside us? We invade and destroy Iraq like don't mind us. You want to flip out when ISIS carries out crimes in the name of God, but what about the drones and the bombs that we drop a lot on villages? We receive images of children in little bits and pieces in the name of freedom and peace. It's mind-boggling how we condemn in others what we condone in ourselves. If you want to stop the violence, then you can't make exceptions. If you want to stop the violence, then stop selling the weapons. Lockheed, Northrop, and Raytheon instigate by funding speakers spreading instant hate so they can profit. If you want to stop it, then stop them. No more solutions involving let's just bomb them. We can't kill and kill and kill and think that it helps.
We need to kill them.
We can't condemn in others what we condone in ourselves. Yes, I'm Muslim. Yes, I'm biased based on the fact I know people overseas that are lifeless because rockets and shells have become part of the climate. Instead of clouds and shade, the sky buzzes loud with drones and rain of hellfire, leaving pain in the stain of blood on clothes and scattered bones. Every single drone rocket fires a couple more points on the Dow Jones. I'm just hoping what I say can help. We can't condemn in others what we condone in ourselves. Look, I'm not saying that this is your fault, but I am saying maybe you should apologize, especially since supposedly it's my fault the latest assault on the lives of husbands and wives that took place on the other side of the planet. Somehow it's connected to me, even though I didn't plan it. If we, Muslims, have to apologize for the four-letter word that's pissing off the world, then you have to apologize to those you colonize, those you occupy and terrorize, and apologize for the lies fed that led to the thousands that died in Iraq for so-called weapons of mass destruction that you couldn't find. Do we have a deal? I'm sorry if you feel uncomfortable, that's just cognitive dissonance. Yes, I look different, I'm the son of an immigrant, you and I both, what a coincidence. Isn't it odd how we condemn in others what we condone in ourselves? The first thing you need to comprehend is that war is profitable, so let's pretend, isn't it possible that we aren't at war for defense but for dollars and cents, and differences are exploited, and all of these events in the media are leading you to a fight you never wanted? Does any of that make sense? Now don't tell me I'm defending ISIS because they kill thousands more Muslims than Western journalists. The more we ignore this fact, the worse it gets. Where was the shock when Bashar dropped barrel bombs on civilians in Syria? Where was the constant media, and why are they feeding you their fake concern for civilians now? Bashar killed 200,000 before ISIS came to town. Why do we pick and choose which evil is necessary to fight? Why do we only march for Christians and whites but not the black or brown, the Muslim, Arab, or Kurd? Some blood is as cheap as dirt. We can't condemn in others what we condone in ourselves. Why are we so mad that ISIS is killing? Didn't Israel just slaughter 500 children last summer? Why is that not chilling? Why are we willing, why are we okay to pay dollar and shilling for the slaughter of mothers and daughters, but we can't stand to see men in ninja outfits chopping off heads? What's the difference between a plane and a blade if both leave people dead? What's the difference between killing you support and killing you're against? My point is that all life is sacred, so stop with all the hatred, because blood is still blood, no matter how you try and paint it. We can't condemn in others what we condone in ourselves.
We are sown through the light.